how to change your Groupon password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Groupon.com, and then from here make sure that you're logged into your account. Simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, and then from here you can tap on sign in and then sign into your account, right? So add in all of the credentials and sign into your account. You can simply tap on the avatar icon right here and then add in your credentials too, right? So you can either way sign into your account, and then from there you can actually tap on my stuff at the top right corner. And then from there you can actually get into your account. So once you're logged in, you can simply get into your account by simply tapping on that one, and then you can select your profile. Then from here you can find the password option. Keep on scrolling until you do find it. Tap on password, and then you can tap on edit button that you will be able to see next to the password. So after tapping on edit, you will actually be able to enter your current password, enter your new password, and then tap on save, and just like that you'll be able to change your Groupon password step by step. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.